Welcome back, everybody, to the place with memes, the best TA, and the Tesla news. So, without further ado, a little Beyond Meat CEO Doug Ramsey arrested for allegedly biting man's nose after Arkansas college football game. 53 arrested for terroristic threats and third-degree battery. So, this guy is unemployed. Might be looking for a job soon, I would imagine. He's probably pretty fired after that one. And I did a meme right here. He probably thought it was there. Beyond sausage. Oh, what a loser, bro. You get wrecked. But nah, I feel bad for the guy, really. Just kidding. But, shoot. Hold up. I messed it up when I posted it. Alright, here we go. Top of the day. Alright, the world right now on fire in realtors. Anybody want to buy a house? That's a pretty good one. And then Jim Craver, keep up the bad work. Nvidia could be a $10 trillion stock one day. Bullish when it goes up, bearish when it goes down. Time to short Nvidia. So, yeah, that's pretty awesome right there. This guy said he's leaving. Oh, the meme stocks. They'll get you every time. And here we have a little bit of gain. Made $10 at the risk of losing 40, all within 3 minutes. Could buy Wendy's later. Dang, bro. See, you trade within a 2-minute period. That's too much. That's too much. And here we have this article about what the skeptics want to see Tesla Optimus bot do on AI Day. I pretty much read through it. This is basically the highlight. Elon saying some examples of repetitive tasks that might win over some skeptics may include displaying the dexterity of the robot's hands, for example, sewing a stitch in fabric, painting a small and large object, writing on a notepad, or even wrapping a sprained ankle with an ace bandage. Perhaps opening AI Day with the robot driving the Tesla Cybertruck on stage with Elon in the passenger seat would be entertaining. I would agree with that. If a robot could put on an ace bandage, I mean, if you do it too tight, you're going to get hurt. You know, if you do it too loose, what's the point? So that would be pretty crazy. If they do that, expect the stock to go to the moon pretty much. Because I think everybody thinks the robot's going to fail, but I just don't see that happening. Here we have Tesla down 0.3% today to 308.01, and S&P down 1.13. So Tesla's still holding up pretty good. Apple leading the way up with 1.57% up. Google Trends coming up. That ought to be pretty good for the stock. And the fear and greed is at a 37, so still ticking down, but I do think we've seen the lows when we hit 3 on the fear and greed, so I do think the bottom's in just based off of that right there. Keep it simple. We do have declining volume on the monthly on Tesla, so if that breaks out, it's going to be a pretty big move. Try to keep an eye on that. So here we have Tesla on the monthly. We'll jump down to the weekly. It's kind of hard to see the trend lines if you don't. Alright, so looking at this inverse head and shoulders, still looking good. Did get close to the 0.618 Fibonacci at 317. Got as high as 313 if you look right here when I scroll over it. So 313, that's pretty close. I mean, you could call that hit, but I like to see it hit the line actually. So fresh 3-day golden cross of the 2155 moving average, and that is the 55 is the green one, and the 21 is the one that turns from gray to white. So they golden cross. Last time that happened was right here, and it pumped it through the golden cross. So do think we'll see something like that, a pump through the golden cross. Still waiting on the monthly green dot and the RSI to come up, so see what happens. 2-day hodl your long signal playing out. 12-hour running into the bands probably does go sideways off of that, so we'll see how that plays out. Usually when these run into this green and purple, it acts like a moving average, and it does kind of play off of it. So we'll see. Good chance it pulls back right here based off of that. Plus the 9-hour, 8-hour, it's all right there at it. 6-hour did break through it, looking like it might put in some bearish divergence right here on the 6-hour. That'd be pretty bad. Volatility never really followed through. 4-hour got one drive, a bearish divergence, looking like it might put in 3. So if it does roll over with RSI not getting above 66, it will pull back pretty hard probably. Got a 2-hour red dot with bearish divergence already, so, and it'll cross down at 308, so that's pretty much where we're at. So the 2 hours wrecked with bearish divergence probably does take us down tomorrow. And we do got this trend line coming in right here. So if it does come down, maybe it'll pick itself back up right here at 304. That's where I'd be looking for a bounce coming in tomorrow. Yeah, right in line with the 15-minute 200. So that's where I'd like to say 302 tomorrow. Probably be a good bounce from there. Have to check it from there to see though. Checking out the S&P 500, not looking so good. And the inverse head and shoulders here is still in play for now. As long as we don't break below 3,800, we'll be looking good on that. 1 hour's looking real bullish, so yeah, probably low in the S&P. Check out Apple. Apple looking good, like it might pump it from here. Inverse head and shoulders. But yep, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Catch y'all tomorrow.